Could artificial intelligence be the harbinger of job displacement? As we delve into this fascinating topic, it is paramount to remember that while AI is indeed revolutionizing the way we live and work, there are still certain professions that remain immune to this technological takeover. Let's commence our countdown with the fifth job AI cannot replace: mental health professionals. The intricacies of the human mind demand a level of empathy, understanding, and personal interaction that AI simply cannot replicate. This field requires professionals who can genuinely connect with their patients, offering comfort, understanding, and reassurances that technology cannot provide. Moving forward to the fourth job on our list, artists. Art is an expression of human emotion, culture, and individuality. It's a deeply personal and subjective field. Whether it's painting, sculpting, writing, or designing, the creativity and imagination of an artist cannot be imitated by a machine. Our third job that stands strong against AI: athletes. The physical prowess, strategic thinking, and competitive spirit of athletes are unique to humans. The thrill of a live game, the suspense, and the unpredictability are elements that AI cannot recreate. Coming in at number 2, skilled tradespeople. These include electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and other skilled laborers. While AI can assist in some aspects, the hands-on nature of these jobs, the need for problem-solving in unique situations, and the ability to adapt to different environments make them irreplaceable by AI. Finally, the top job that AI cannot replace: educators. The role of a teacher is not just to impart knowledge, but also to inspire, motivate, and understand each student's unique learning style and needs. The human touch in education is irreplaceable and invaluable. To summarize, while AI is indeed making strides in many sectors, the top 5 jobs it cannot replace include mental health professionals, artists, athletes, skilled tradespeople, and educators. These professions require a blend of empathy, creativity, physical ability, practical skills, and personal interaction, elements that are uniquely human and irreplaceable. So as we navigate this digital age, let's remember it's our uniquely human qualities that make us invaluable, not just in our jobs, but in our daily lives. Technology may evolve, but the human spirit, with all its creativity, empathy, and resilience, remains irreplaceable.